Hello and welcome to another new ADB Sideload related video of Craxoid. Today in this video I'll show you how to root using magisk via ADB Sideload method without using a computer. So let's start the video. Here I have two devices. This first one is Redmi Note 8 where I'll be installing magisk and root it, and this another device is Redmi Note 9 Pro Max which will help my Redmi Note 8 to flash magisk. And remember to use this method, your phone's bootloader must be unlocked and must have installed a custom recovery. You can check my video from the description section to unlock the bootloader and to install a custom recovery. And then you need to enable developer option and turn on USB debugging on both of the devices. And I have already enabled USB debugging on both devices. So now we need to download magisk file on the device which will act as a computer, and in my case it's Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So simply open any browser and search for magisk GitHub. And then you will find this site. Simply open it. Then this kind of interface will appear. Here scroll down a little bit and you will reach to download section. Then simply tap on this latest magisk version which is 25.2 for now. Then another page will open. Here also simply scroll down and you will find magisk APK. So simply click on it and tap on download anyway button, and then magisk APK file will start downloading. So now magisk APK file is downloaded which is inside my download folder. Now we need to change its extension. For this simply tap on rename button and delete that APK written at last and replace it by typing zip, ZIP. And then a warning will appear. Simply tap on OK again. Then that APK file will be converted into a zip file. Now go back and open Play Store, and from Play Store you need to download bugjaeger application, and I have already downloaded it. Then you need two things. First one is OTG cable and second one is USB data cable. Now connect OTG cable to the device which we are going to use as a computer, and then connect one part of USB cable into the OTG and another to the phone on which we are going to flash magisk and root it. And when you connect the last cable, you will notice that a pop-up menu will appear on another device. Simply tap on OK button and then that phone will redirect to bugjaeger app. So now reboot your another phone on which you are going to flash magisk, and make sure you reboot it to the recovery mode. You can also reboot to recovery by long pressing volume up and power button together. I have installed TWRP custom recovery on my device and this looks something like this. Now on TWRP recovery you will see advanced option. Simply tap on it and then you will see ADB Sideload button. Tap on that ADB Sideload too. Then this type of interface will appear. Here simply swipe to the right to start sideload. And when you swipe it, a pop-up menu will appear on another device. Simply tap on OK. Then you will see device connected menu will appear on the screen. Now in bugjaeger app, swipe across these icons and you will find a thunder-like icon at last. Simply tap on it. Then scroll down to last where you will see ADB Sideload section. Here tap on this pick file button and then tap on I understand button. Allow some necessary permissions. Then select that magisk file that we have downloaded. Then sideloading process will start, and on another phone you will see it has started its flashing process. And now the flashing process is completed. There you will see reboot system. Simply tap on it. Then phone will reboot into system. Now we can go back on this phone as we don't need this phone anymore. Now phone is completely rebooted to system. I'll unlock the screen and search for magisk app, but I could not find it. So I'll search magisk from app drawer search bar and I found this magisk, so I'll tap on it. And it's asking for upgrade, so I will tap on OK button again. Now it's downloading and we need to give permissions, so tap on settings and allow the permissions. So now magisk app is properly installed on our device. Now I'll open this magisk app. So as you can see, it is properly installed. I'll also show the root status of this phone using root checker app. I'll download this root checker app from the Play Store and open it. Now I'll click on verify root and it's asking to grant permission. So simply grant it. And you can see congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device written on the root checker application, which means I have successfully rooted my phone using ADB Sideload method. And for this I did not use computer or laptop. So in this similar method you can root your any Android phone with Magisk via ADB Sideload. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video useful and informative, hit the like button, comment down, share this video and subscribe to Craxoid YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.